Our automation strategy is based on a scaling strategy. It helps our customers because it helps support business growth.
We want to always be prepared for a line to expand. Our production is always growing.
Using a scaled strategic approach, we are able to reduce risk and build confidence.
And so we need to make sure that our robots have the capabilities to expand with a certain product or a certain product line.
We involve people. We engage with the employees. We foster an automation culture in the working environment. Employees should not be replaced by automation. They should be empowered by automation.
We start our projects on the basis that we're going to make it flexible for the entire room. The flexibility we have with our robots is like the most important part of MRPC automation.
Modular reprogrammable systems can be redeployed or replicated with little or no engineering effort.
You can constantly grow with that. You can constantly move towards what a customer wants, and there isn't limitations past the validation then.
Typically, our validation involves IQ, OQ, PQ. These are 3 documented processes which allow us to control the integration of the system into our manufacturing environment.
I think a customer would be interested in our ability to scale their process because of our automation.
If we can run our automation lights out with nobody there, that allows us to supply our customer with increased demand at very short notice. Lights are out, nobody's home, automation is running. All you hear is zip, 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 lights are flashing, and we are running.
I have a feeling that's why we have a lot of windows at MRPC. We want to show off what we've created in these rooms and how the process flows so effortlessly through these machines and how it passes off, and our operators working side by side with these robots. I think that's just cool to see.